probably need to add water and stir the mud. This is all-purpose mud. And here's the tool. Some people refer to it as a lamb's wool roller. However you refer to it, you can dip it in your mud and then place it right in there, and it coats your corner really nicely. When it gets thin, you got to go back and dip it in your all-purpose mud so that you can get a nice coat on that wall, and then spread it out. It originally can be pretty messy, but spread it out so they got plenty of mud there. Then you need to measure your tape, and that paper tape has a crease right down the center. So you fold it on that crease and then embed the tape into that mud by just at first using your fingers. Use your fingertips to get it in there. Then you're going to go ahead and take your knife and finish embedding it, especially getting it way back into that corner so that you have a nice 90-degree angle. Then you need to go ahead and embed the total tape in the mud by starting in the center and moving towards the top or the bottom, but you start towards the center. This is a little bit of a difficult spot because I'm jammed up against that door. Here's an easier spot for you to see. So I dipped, I got plenty of mud, and I had to go back because it was thinning out. So I'm going to reapply to the wall to make sure I have plenty of mud to embed my tape in. Then have already measured it, I've already creased it, and now I'm embedding it with my fingertips again. I'll then follow up from the fingertip embedding with my knife again, beginning from the center and just embedding. After I do an embedding stroke, I'm then going to go back with my knife. I'm going to make sure I feather all of my edges. That's the way, those are the steps. You load the wall with mud using the lamb's wool roller. That's step one. Step number two, you embed the mud. You embed the tape into the mud with your fingertips and with your knife. And then step three is that you are going to feather your edges with the knife.